Hello, I'm Adam Rosen. In this video, I would like to share with you a simple mindful meditation practice. I myself have been meditating for almost 10 years, and I received my teacher certificate from Dharma Moon and Tibet House. Now, meditation has been around for thousands of years. It's a formal practice, and mindfulness is an informal practice of placing our awareness on an object, such as the breath. Meditation may seem scary and difficult to approach, but at its simplest, a mindful meditation practice consists of three things: taking your seat, placing your attention on the breath, and when a thought arises, label it as thinking and return your attention back to your breath. Many patients that deal with knee pain may find it most difficult to sit in a chair, but there are a number of different positions that you can sit on, such as kneeling or cross-legged on the floor. I would like to ring the bell to signify the beginning of our meditation session, and I will gently walk you through the process. So at this point, I would like you to take a seat in your chair, with your feet resting comfortably on the floor, knees shoulder-width apart. Imagine a string at the top of your head pulling up ever so gently, so you have a nice straight back and a dignified posture. Take your hands and rest them gently on your thighs, wherever they may fall, palm down. Take your eyes and cast your gaze downward at a 45-degree angle, about 3 to 5 feet in front of you. You may keep your eyes open or gently close them, whichever is most comfortable for you. At this point, notice your body becoming still. Next, I would like you to place your attention on your breath. You may notice the breath wherever you feel it most strongly. Some people find that they feel the warm and cold air pass over their upper lip as they breathe out in and out. Others might notice it more strongly in the rise and fall of their chest or abdomen. But wherever you feel it most strongly, place your attention there and try to keep it there throughout this meditation. Now, during this practice, thoughts will arise, and when a thought does occur, simply label it as thinking and take your attention and gently escort it back to the breath. Sometimes a thought becomes a story, and that's okay too. Just recognizing the thought that has occurred, gently escort your attention back to your breath, without judgment, without bias. If you find it difficult to keep your attention on your breath, you can try counting your breaths. On your in-breath, count 1. On your out-breath, count 2. On your in-breath, count 3. And so on, up to 10. Once you hit 10, or if a thought arises, label it as thinking, and start counting again from 1. Now, if thoughts have occurred again, imagine yourself sitting by a river and seeing leaves float downstream. When the thoughts occur, just take that thought and place it on a leaf and let it float on by, bringing your attention back to the breath. You may also think of the clear blue sky. When thoughts occur, imagine them being placed onto little white fluffy clouds, floating on by, clearing up your mind, just like the clear blue sky. You may even experiment with the breath, and for the next few moments, continue to place your attention on the breath, but focus more specifically on the pauses between your in-breath and between your out-breath. If you notice discomfort arising anywhere, try to examine it and explore it. Try breathing into the discomfort. If the discomfort persists or you have pain, move or shift or adjust your position to get into a more comfortable position. Now notice the space around you as you become more aware of your surroundings, and see how you feel. A mindful meditation practice can be helpful for a number of reasons. It's important, however, to have a consistent practice. I would encourage you, if you found this to be helpful, to try to set aside time every day for 10 minutes to have a sit and mindfully meditate, focusing on the breath. Over time, you may see and reap the benefits that many others have found from the practice of mindful meditation. Until next time, be happy and be well.